This video/stream is sponsored by Trader Central. Trader Central provides funding for traders, spot cryptocurrency exchange services, and access to trading tools like copy trade software, portfolio tracking, and a social platform exclusive for communicating with trader friends. Sign up now using the link in the description and get up to 30% off on your first plan.
Hey guys, welcome back to my channel. How are you all doing? Hope you had a great week this past week, as the market gave us plenty of opportunities to capitalize on. In this video, I want to talk about my analysis for GBPJPY, and as usual, I'll start up with the weekly time frame and work my way down to the 4-hour time frame. So as you can see on the weekly time frame, price got to this resistance or this support level over here, as you can see, and again, if we use our Fibonacci retracement from the swing low to swing high, we can see that this area was around the 61.8 Fibonacci retracement level, which is where we always expect price to reverse from. And like I said in my previous videos, I'm actually expecting price to continue all the way to the upside from there. So and that's why we entered our buy trade from this area. So we're able to capitalize on the initial move. Price got to the 61.5 area and then quickly reversed from that area to the downside, all the way back down to this to the support level over there. But we're able to capitalize on that initial move, and now with this week, price got to that level and has bounced to the upside. And what I am actually expecting is more continuation to the upside on this move. And the reason I'll point it out for you now is one, the formation of this inside bar and price closing or just at the level of the inside bar, I would say, really, because I normally trade from the high and not from the close. So I trade from the high. Some people may trade from the close of the candle, but I normally would trade from the high and from the low as well. So not from the open or close, but from the high and low of that particular candle. So, and we can see that price hasn't really closed above the high of the previous candle. So again, if we go all the way down to the 4-hour time frame, if price closes above this high here, the next 4-hour candle, most likely price will continue all the way to the upside. Okay, and again, if we can see what happened here when price started to reverse, if we draw a Fibonacci retracement again from the swing low to the swing high, as we can see here, we can see price retraced all the way to the 61.8 Fibonacci retracement. And like I mentioned earlier, this Fibonacci tool is very useful. Gives us a fair idea, especially when price is in a particular trend and then price starts to retrace. So it gives you a very good idea of where price most likely would reverse from, and it's usually the 50% Fibonacci level or the 61.8 Fibonacci level. So those are the two areas that we normally would target, and that's where this area has gotten to as well. Again, if we go to the 1-hour time frame, I don't normally go down there, but just to show you clearly what I'm looking at, we can see that price has formed this double bottom pattern here. Okay, so with this double bottom pattern, I'm expecting, again, this is the neck of that double bottom pattern. I'm expecting it to break, price close above it, and then just like we predicted for Euro USD previously, price to break, retest it, and then continue back up to this area, and most likely continue all the way to this 164 area in the long term. But this is where we'll be looking at now, and we'll be looking for a break above this resistance level that price is at currently. And if price is able to close above that level, then we'll be looking to capitalize on it. So for on the 4-hour time frame, we can see we're expecting price to get all the way to this level here. And you know, for the next few days or weeks to be a bearish a bullish move, sorry. And we can as well draw a trend line through these areas, and that could give us, a fair indication of what we're expecting as well. So it can be through here or it can be through here, but I would like to put it through here just so that we have an idea of what's going to happen in the near future. So if you put it through there, we go to a 4-hour time frame. We can see that if you're not confident enough to enter the trade, okay, when price closes above this, you can wait for price to break above this trend line again, okay, and then we can capitalize on that up move when price does break above the trend line, okay. And if price does break above the trend line, we should be looking to take our buy trade all the way to this next resistance level. And I reckon from the weekly time frame, price may even go all the way to the 168 level rather than stop at the 164 level from the weekly time frame. As you can see, if we draw our Fibonacci retracement again, we expect price to get all the way up here, possibly breaking this all the way to this level here. And that is where I'll be expecting. And the reason why I'm expecting price to go all the way to this level again is still using the Fibonacci retracement. It can give us an idea of where we want our targets to be. So mostly, if I want to say where the extension would be, I would just put my Fibonacci retracement in reverse, okay, to where this level is. All right. And normally I expect the Fibonacci level to get to this 1.618 area, and there's also a level in between here as well, somewhere here, but I'm not sure exactly where it would fall. But I think it's the 1.2 something level. I'm not too sure, 1.268 level or so, and that will be around that area as well. So those are areas that we can easily target as our take profits when we are looking at price going towards the upside. So this basically has been my analysis for GBPJPY. I am bullish on GBPJPY, expecting price on the hourly time frame to break through the neck of this double bottom pattern and continue to the upside. Again, we can easily just draw a sort of triangular pattern here as well, as we can see, and then expect price to break above that triangular pattern to the upside. So, and we know this more or less like a continuation pattern when price forms this in the triangular pattern and then breaks through, possibly down and then all the way up to the upside, and then continues like that. Not a very smooth move, I reckon, but a move, however, to the upside is what we're expecting on GBP JPY. So I hope this video is very helpful to you. If it has, kindly leave a like, and if you haven't subscribed, kindly subscribe to the channel for more analysis videos. Thank you very much for watching, and have a great week ahead. Peace.
I can't forget the day we met. Your eyes so blue, me piercing through. I can't forget the day we met. Your smile so bright.